Hello. Hello.
Hi, sir. Sorry, sir, I didn't know we had class today. It must be the cover class. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, we're currently doing some trig functions. So, but the portion from there is over. So, is there anything that you would want to do in that chapter? Like any other resources to use? Because my school bit so far is over. It's been caught up with.
What about the trigonometry? We started with the trigonometry, no?
What about the what, sir?
We started with the trigonometry, no?
Yeah. So that's like whatever had to be done is done for that. So is there something else we should do? Like in the same trigonometric functions field, because there's no more resources on this to finish.
Okay, we've done the whole thing.
Yeah.
I have, people use IB, no?
Yeah, so we can use any textbook. That doesn't really matter.
Don't have this, no? Find
No,
the
so I don't have this
rectangle.
book. We can still do the sums from here.
But what?
We can do the sums from this book. So
But you don't have it, no?
I don't have the book, so you'll have to screen share it all the way.
No, you don't have the all
Yeah.
this formula, no? You don't have the formulas, no?
What are you saying, sir?
You don't have this all, no? Area of triangle, find the area of triangle.
No, I don't have this. No. Not that I know of yet, like in the syllabus.
Similar kind of I had waiting with them. So your syllabus is over, no?
What's up?
Syllabus is over.
No, sir. 10th is over for me.
10th is
10th is not over. 10th is ending. Sorry. 10th is ending in by next month.
maths.
My maths portion is finished, so the tests have also all been taken. Like the class still continues, but the tests are done.
Book. For the modeling.
Sure, so we can try that. We can try anything really. This is my next year's book, so the one you are using right now. This is the book I'll use next year and the year after that, 11th and 12th book.
We'll be going in the IB, no?
What's up?
Going for the IB, no? IB book, no?
Yeah. This is the IB 11th and 12th book. There are two books. This is the one I'm using.
See, I'll give you this, okay? You have to
Sure.
properly have to see that's what I'm doing. Based on the trigonometry itself, the sine function, no? Sine function moves from here to here, then here to here.
Yeah.
Yes? Like, yeah, like go maximum up till plus 1, minimum up till -1. Yeah. And similarly, cos function, cos is equal to cos theta, comes start from here like this. Okay. Yes. Similarly, this goes also maximum +1, negative, and minimum -1. Yes,
Yeah.
-1. So this is my pi by 2 line. This is my pi line. This is my 3 pi by 2 line. And this is my 2 pi line. This is also 90 degree, 180, 70, 360. Yeah, and this is tan. Okay, you haven't heard about tan theta, no? You
No,
have
sir.
heard about,
Any of
but
the
you
tan.
don't know. But you
I
don't know,
think
no?
tan will be sine over cos, I think.
Tan
Okay.
upon cos.
Yeah.
Graph is like this.
What is it like?
I'm drawing.
So sine will never, I mean, tan will never go more than 1 on x.
No, it goes up to infinity, no?
Wait, so I'll just graph it on Desmos. I'm not able to visualize it very well.
Like this, like this.
So what is I guess my question is, what is the vertical asymptote?
Vertical asymptote is at 90 and 270.
Ah, okay.
Not 270. Yeah, 90 at 270. Yeah. Every every 90 angle is a vertical asymptote. It's
Oh,
like this,
and it
okay?
will keep going like periodically.
Yeah. It's like
Okay,
this.
okay, that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is a tan. So it start from 0, but it goes up to infinity. Okay, and similarly -infinity to again infinity. And at 270, at 180 it is 0, and at 2 pi it is 0, at 0 it is 0. Okay. So what we can justify from here, there are the three axes, no? There are three quadrants. Okay. Four quadrants, my bad. This is my first quadrant, this is my second quadrant, this is my third quadrant, and this is my fourth quadrant. Yes. So
Yeah.
sine is positive here. All are positive. Na? Sine is positive. See, cos is also positive. Sine is positive, and tan is also positive. No. Yes. All the values are positive. Na? I'll just shade it with the help of
Yeah.
let me just shade it. See, all are positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. Yes.
Right.
So all are positive. Okay, we'll say in first quadrant all are positive. In next quadrant, see who is positive. Sine is
Oh,
positive.
yeah.
What about the cos and
Cos is negative,
this is the
and
negative? So
tan is also
tan is also
negative.
negative. Yes.
Yeah.
So on second quadrant only sine is positive. And sine reciprocal is cosec. Okay. So we'll say cosec and
Sine?
sine both are, you know about the cosec, no?
No,
Okay.
no, not so. No. Don't know cos.
Let it be. Okay. Now for the next one, see, only tan is positive, no?
Only
So
wait, I can you repeat that for the third one?
only
Only
10 is positive.
yeah, yeah,
So it's a 10.
right,
Okay. And the last one only cos is positive. See,
yeah,
and both are negative. Yeah.
yeah,
So, so what happens now? That is a that is this thing will be very useful in your coming trigonometric chapter or whatever it may be. Okay.
yeah,
That we have all this is my 0, this is my pi by 2, that is 90, and this is my pi, and this is my 3 pi by 2, and this is again, sorry, this is my 0, this is my 2 pi, no? This is
yeah,
my whole circle, yes or no?
right,
And making an angle. So all are positive here. We have seen that only sine is positive here. We have seen that only tan is positive here. We have seen that, and only cos is positive here. We have seen that. Yes or no?
yeah,
So my angle can be from this. I can jump from this way. 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 This way. Similarly, this way and this way. No, and this way. My angle can be like this. I'll say
sure,
sine. I'll say what sine 2 pi plus anything like let's say pi by 2. Okay. So it is actually for sine 360 plus 30 60. No, that is equal to sine 420. 420. Yes or no? In
yeah,
actual way, I can write like this. But what we saw, what we already know, it's a repetitive function, no? So
right.
whatever my 60
Because
value will be, it's
it's
same
the
as
same
this
as
value.
sine,
No?
it's the same as sine 60 basically.
Yeah. Yes or no?
Hmm.
So don't get confused. Don't get carried away with that. I'll just write some formula. So my PC got hang on. Let me erase this. So what we know, 9 2 pi plus theta is always sine theta. Okay. Similarly, cos 2 pi plus theta. Theta, my PC plus theta equals to cos theta, and similarly tan 2 pi plus theta equals to tan theta. Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
cool with up till this point, cool. Now see, whenever I jump from this axis, no, this whole axis, my sine became cos, cos became sine, and tan became cot. Okay,
and became what?
cot. There is another function cot is 1 upon tan. So right now,
Okay.
don't under don't just go with that. Just take that. There is another function. There are total 6 functions. Okay,
Yeah,
so what we know that everything will be positive at this quadrant. But whenever I jump from this way now, this axis, so much function changes. Okay, it will become cos theta cos pi by 2 minus theta. Minus theta, why? Because I'm jumping from this, no? That will be what the angle will be. This is less than, no, 90.
yeah,
That's minus. Okay, tan pi by 2 minus theta will be. And now from here to here, see, I'm jumping from pi by 2 ahead. So I'll write pi by 2 plus theta. Okay, and only sign will
So
remain
can
positive.
so can you do this in degrees because the pies are getting a little confusing for me.
Okay, so I'll write in 90 wala.
Yeah, so you mean to say that sine 90
90
minus theta?
plus theta will be cos theta. Okay,
Okay.
and but see cos 90 plus theta will be minus sin theta. Why minus? But we already know only sine function will remain positive. Rest all will be negative. Yes or no? Similarly, tan 90 plus theta will also become minus cot theta. Okay. Similarly, if I jump from here, sine 180, this is 180 line, no? This is 180 line. 180 minus theta will be sine theta. Function doesn't change at this line. Okay. Minus cos theta. Tan 180 minus theta will be minus tan theta. Now, similarly, in this way, I'm jumping from 180 plus. That means sine 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta. But what we already know, only tan function remain positive. That means only cot will be positive. That means tan wala positive. Rest everything will be negative.
Right.
Now I'm jumping from this to this. That means sine 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta. That means this function will change. That means minus cos theta, minus sine theta, and positive cot theta. Why positive? Because tan will remain positive. Now here cos will remain positive. That means what? We are jumping from sine 270 plus theta, cos 270 plus theta, tan 270 plus theta. That will become only this will be positive. Why? Because we already know that this fourth quadrant is for cos. That will become sine theta, and this will become minus cos theta. This will become minus cot theta. Now from here to here, that means sine 2 by minus theta, cos 2 by minus theta, and tan, sorry, 2 by I wrote, that is 360. Okay, that is 360 minus theta. So minus tan theta, this will become positive sin theta. No, no, there will be no change of sign function. No, the positive cos theta, and this will become negative sin theta. Understood?
Yeah.
So what you can do is you can see this. First, copy this by your own, by like whatever you understood about this. Copy this thing, and then you copy this. Okay.
Right. So first I'll make the grid, then I'll just look at the
Yeah.
sign transformations. Oh, so can you go to the second grid now? Yeah, thank you. So I'm done.
Done.
Yeah.
Here it is given now.
Right.
So what actually represent is here is see whenever we have already learned this, yes or no?
Yeah.
So whatever we learn whenever we like any function like this. Okay, if I multiply with a, what happens? The amplitude increases or decreases, yes or no?
Yeah.
Whenever we multiply outside the function, the amplitude increases or decreases. Okay, and whenever we multiply with inside the function, that means in sine dx like this, what happens? Frequency increases or decreases, yes or no? That means wavelength decreases or increases, whatever. But what happens when we add or subtract in a function? Okay, when we add and subtract in a function, when we like if I say sine x, what is function sine x? Like this, simple, yeah. But when I say cos x minus 90, okay, what is cos x minus 90? When I plot it now, what will happen if I put 0? That means minus 90. Cos minus 90. Cos minus 90 is 0. Okay, so I'll get this point. When I put x equals to 90, that means cos 90 minus 90, that will become cos 0. Na?
Yeah.
That is this point. At 90, I'm getting this point. So my function actually shifted. My cos x minus 90 function look like this. What happened to the cos function is that it shifted. Okay, it was like this. It shifted 90 degrees on the right hand side. Whenever we do minus, no minus any angle minus anything, so it shifted. Whenever we do angle plus anything, it shifted on the right hand side. Okay, yes.
Yeah.
And similarly, when I say function is equal to sin x, okay, plus 1. So what happened is here, my function, the whole function move upward direction. And when I say function sin x minus 1, my whole function move downward direction. Okay, we'll look at this particular thing like one or two sums based on it. Okay,
Yeah.
sin x minus 1. Sin x minus 1. Okay. What we got here is sin x minus 1. No?
Right.
What was sin x? Sin x was like this. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sin x minus 1 would be function shifting towards 1 minus. If this is positive 1, this is negative 1. So my mean value, the mean line, no, is shifted towards this value. So my mean line will be like this, and my function will remain as it is. It will touch, okay, like that. This will be my function sin x minus 1. Understood? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is moving downward direction, okay, by 1.
Okay.
Okay. What about this? You have to familiar with pi. Okay. So you start learning what is pi by beta, what is
That's
pi by pi, what is pi.
180. So then it is 180 by 4.
180. Sorry, Baba. Then pi by 4 is not 180. It is 45.
Yeah, 180 by 4 as such.
Yeah. So sin x minus pi by 4. We already know how sound function works. It is like this. Okay. I'm not drawing the proper diagram. So sine x minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 means for 45 degree. That means this is my 90 and this is my 45. Half of it 90. Yes. So my
Yeah.
function will shift towards this. That means my function will start from, because this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, or this is 360. My function will start from here. My bad. Rather than something wrong. 180 and 270. Okay.
Right.
Understood?
Yeah.
So try forming this, then this by like a rough diagram of it. You don't have to use Dasmos first. First you draw it by yourself, and then if you're getting it right or wrong, whatever, use Dasmos for it. Okay.
So first for C, amplitude will double. For D, period will increase 4 times. So it will become more frequent 4 times. For
Draw it,
C,
draw it,
huh?
draw it, draw it. I'm saying.
But so it says state the transformation.
Okay. ठीक है.
Then C, I think, will be 4 times more wavelength. So period becomes less frequent. 1 second, so my mom is calling. Sorry, my mom didn't know that was class, so she was also asking. Then fourth one will be uh, first it will be 60 shifted to the right, so it'll shift to the right by 60 and it will move up by 2. Yeah.
You try this sketching the graph.
Okay.
The first so I have tick mark. Okay.
Done, sir.
Show me diagram.
Yes, sir.
Show me the diagram.
Yeah, so I'll have to rejoin, but in another while.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem. Yeah, hello.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm on hotspot. Give me 1 minute. I'll just it's on my paper, so I'll just put my camera on this. Can you see it, sir? Hello. Yeah, so that's the first one. So it moves 2 to the right. Second one, 3 to the left. Oh, wait, that's the correct one. And the fourth one was uh, essentially
It's
45.
sin x minus 1, not sin x minus 1 in bracket. It is sin x minus 1. What are you doing?
Which one, sir?
First one is sin x minus 1.
Oh,
It will move down
I'll just redraw it on the right side. Sine.
the function. Then you have made a mistake in both of it.
Yeah,
This
yeah. Sine x not minus 2 not in brackets. Okay, here it is. Yeah, so here it is. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah,
draw sin x is 3.
yeah. here. Sin x plus 3. Wait, the x-axis is, wait, how do I show it? Yeah, it's there. So can I join now? Because I'm on my hotspot.
What is F? Yeah, F1, F1.
Oh, F1. Oh, wait, so the F1 will actually remain the same as long as I consider it like this. So the first row will move like on this side towards the negative x because it's minus.
Oh, no, no. Sign is like this, no?
What, sir?
Sign is like this. Sign is like this, no?
Yeah, but so because this is
It
moving,
will move right hand side.
yeah,
Your function will
that's
start
what,
from here.
that's what I've done. Oh, like yeah, like I have to continue it, but yeah.
Oh, see, you have done it here. You have done like this. Wrong, Baba. You have done like this. Not like this. You are reversing the whole thing.
No, sir,
It's
I'm
not
not
like
forcing it. It's just moved to the side.
like this. Yeah. But what you have done, 45 it moved, nah? Not that it has moved that much. If you have moved that much, that means it's wrong. It's only moved 45. See, this is
It's
like my
moved
sign.
1/4.
This is 90.
Yeah.
45 is like this. So it will move just this much. That means my function will start from here. That is,
Okay.
this is 45. This will become 90. And this like that.
Sure. Sure.
That's why I told you to recheck it when the Desmos. Whenever they are getting it right or
Yes.
wrong.
Okay. Okay.
Now try doing this and recheck in your Desmos. Okay.
Okay. So one sec, I'll just rejoin. Yeah, sir. Which one? Those two. Yeah, sir. Done.
Check in the Desmos.
Okay. So according to Desmos,
Yeah.
yes, according to Desmos for G, it's going to the left, but it's minus, so it should go to the right.
I think it is right. But how much right? That also is fine, no?
Only a
But
little bit, like only 30 degrees.
uh, it is like this. This is my 90. So only 30 degrees.
Yeah,
So like this. Okay. But then also plus, no? Plus so actual figure will look like this. Plus one, that means actual figure will look like somewhat like this. This is my this. I mean,
right. Okay, yeah, I see that. Yeah, this is correct then, sir. The first one. Uh, Second one is x plus 5 by 4 plus 2.
give me a second.
Hmm. No, so I got the second one wrong. In the second one, maybe I got the scale incorrect because it should only be 45 degrees.
Hmm. So what do you say? Then
Yeah,
is it right?
yeah, it was a mistake on, like, because it's freehand, it was a mistake on 45 degrees, how much that is. But yeah,
Now see this. Okay. I'll do this one. So we have to draw from minus 5 to 5. So first what I'll do, I'll just draw the cost one. Actual cost one look like this. Because this is 0, this is 2 pi, this is minus 2 pi. Actual cost look like this. Yeah.
yeah,
So what I need to draw is that diagram. First I'll do this. That is minus, that means minus 90. If this is 90, that means it will moving towards up to this point. That means it will start from here. That means my graph will become like this. Okay.
yeah.
It will become like this. But then also it has to move up. That means my actual graph will look like start from here. It will look like this. This is my 2 pi. This is my minus 2. Okay. We'll check with the Rodin bottom. Understood?
Right.
Try doing this by yourself. Okay, not by diagonal, by yourself.
Oh, so I made a mistake, sir. Uh, can you remind me how you graph the cos function? Like the root, the just the basic one, it goes down, right? It's like from the peak
It is
goes
this
down.
one. This is my cos one.
The
Cos
purple,
x.
purple one is cos x and black one is
Cos x minus 5 by 6. And this, the down one is cos x minus 5 by 6 plus 1. If cos moves from minus 1 to plus 1, if I add plus 1, the minus 1 becomes 0 and plus 1 becomes 2.
right. So I need to do question G.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sir, done. So you're muted.
You got it right.
Let me check. Can you just read it to me so I'm on Desmos?
Cos x minus 5 by 4 bracket minus 1.
Yeah, sir, I got it right.
Okay. Try writing this one.
Try what, sir? Try that. Okay. Yeah, sir, done. I'll check on Desmos. Yeah, got it right.
Okay. So, like when the 10th, 11th portion will start in the college or school.
11th?
Yeah. Like you're finished with the 10th, no?
No, sir, no, I'm in 10th, but technically all my 10th exams are done. Like, not
Basically,
exams.
you're
This,
officially not done, but mostly you're done, no?
yeah, there's one more month of school for 10th.
Why it
Then,
is so?
uh, like the classes continue in school even after the tests are over. So you can have like informal tests, but the scores won't change for the year. So the 10th score for math at least is already done. But 11th, then we'll have summer break in June. So June and July, then in August we'll have 11th, which will be HL Math. So this exact book right now that's being done.
Okay. Okay, then mostly you won't be having classes after that, no? This or what?
After what, sir?
This.
No,
class?
no, sir. It'll actually continue till like the beginning of June because the school year is not over and we still have school content. We still have tests. The only thing is the tests won't like the scores from the test won't affect our score. Like this
But
final.
you won't. But what portion you will have? The same portion what we have done
No,
already.
it will probably be another topic. We'll have to see from the
No,
teacher. I mean,
they
maybe
will. They will.
topic.
They will let you know, and then you will be able to know.
Yeah, because we still have 1 month of math remaining in school. So they'll
Okay then.
probably tell us the next topic.
Yeah, no problem. Okay then. How was the exam, by the way? You had an exam, no?
So I had like we don't have exams. We have like these monthly exam, not like monthly, but uh, we have like unit exams. So once every 1.5, once every 2 months, and the like average score of those exams is your final score for the
When
subject.
you had the last exam?
Last exam this Monday.
This month, you know.
This Monday I had for the functions unit.
How was it?
So it went well. Like you get all scores out of 8, and then you get the average of that. So I got a 7 out of 8 on this one, and in the previous ones I had gotten 888. So my average will come out to 7.75, which will put me in the 7 to 8 category, which is the best category to be in. So it went well, but now we have no more exams for math this year. But whatever topics we do beginning of like now will be assessed beginning of August. Because in August they'll give the exam, which will be the first exam of 11th, based on whatever we study end of 10th.
Well, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any doubt or something like that? No, no.
Hello.
Do you have any doubt?
Yeah. Just 1 second. I just think my mom is messaging me. Sorry, 1 second. Not sure. Oh, yeah, sir. Sorry, I'm still here. Yeah. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye.